Hello everyone, I'm Raul Pineda. I'm studying for the Bachelor of Engineering in Game Technologies at the Southeastern University of Applied Science in Finland. And today I'm here to speak about the involvement of AI in the gaming industry. But before I continue, I would like to let you this question. What if AI could create better games than humans? So now I will highlight the main points I will make in this presentation. The first one, what is AI about? Then the different type of AI related to video games. Some advantages and disadvantages of AI in the gaming industry. A few use cases in games. And finally, I will conclude with a conclusion and my point of view about the future of video games. So I think first of all, we should define what is AI. AI is the science and engineering of making intelligent machines, especially intelligent computer programs, as these two pioneers, John McCarthy and Geoffrey Hinton, defined many years ago, especially John McCarthy, who made this statement. But I think first we should consider and think about what is intelligence, what is the meaning of it. Intelligence is divided in four aspects: language, how information is transferred from one point to another. Other is the learning. The machine needs to learn by experience. Perception. The machine needs to be aware of the environment. It needs to detect sounds and read pictures and so on. And the most important, reasoning. It needs to have logical thinking, resolve problems, implement algorithmics, and so on. But overall, AI in gaming. What is AI in gaming? It has a very diverse variety of applications, but mainly it's used to create a smarter and more immersive experience, such as control of NPCs, the improvement of the interaction of each NPC, improve also the adaptation of each player, also create dynamic and more realistic worlds, such as Minecraft with procedural technologies for generating maps. Now that we know what is AI in general, let's divide AI into two groups. First group, AI based on capabilities, and second group based on techniques and approaches. AI in game industry or in tech in general mostly use narrow AI. The other two, general AI and super AI, are still in the theoretical field of mathematics and computer science. There is no such a thing in the practical way. So, what is narrow AI? Narrow AI or weak AI are basically programs for particular cases, such as game NPC interaction, voice assistant, recommendation systems, anti-cheating behavior detection, and so on. Within the techniques, we have machine learning, which is basically based on data, and from this data, the AI can recognize patterns, and from that can generate conclusions. And then we have, within this, we have deep learning, that is machine learning, but with neuronal networks, so are so much complex. Then we have rule-based AI, that are basically a set of rules defined by the developer. And then we have search and planning. But we can conclude several advantages. First, it makes games more realistic by creating intelligent characters that can react to the player. Second, AI improves the player experience by adapting the game to each individual, making it more engaging and personalized. And third, it allows developers to create large and dynamic worlds more efficiently. However, there are different disadvantages. One of them is that increased the cost of the implementation. And also, it also reduce human creativity. If developers rely too much of it, it increase a high dependency of AI, and also can create very difficult games that are really complicated to play for the users. Finally, I conclude that based on or according to a Google report, that around 90%, as you can see in the graphic, 90% of game developers are already using AI in their workflows, and 97% believe it is transforming this industry. To conclude, artificial intelligence is already transforming the game industry, and it will continue to play an important role in the future. So going back to my initial question, can AI create better games than humans? In my opinion, AI can help to create better games, but it cannot replace human creativity. So the future of gaming, under my point of view, is that AI is not AI versus human. It's a collaboration between them. Together, they can create more immersive and innovative experiences.